Edaphic factors. The word soil is derived from Latin word solum, which means earthy materials in which plant grows. The science which deals with the study of soil is called pedology or edaphology. Abiotic factor relating to the physical or chemical composition of the soil found in a particular area. For example, very alkaline soil may be an edaphic factor limiting the variety of plants growing in a region. Soil is a vital part of the natural environment. It influences the distribution of plant species and provides a habitat for a wide range of organisms. Soil is a mixture of minerals, organic matter, gases, liquids, and countless organisms that together support life on earth. From the definition itself, it is clear that soil is the rudimental part of the evolution. Importance of soil. It plays a vital role in maintaining phosphorus cycle. It acts as a stable medium to construct the buildings, houses, dams, power plants, etc. It is one of the major source of almost all the minerals and precious rocks apart from the ocean. Human beings or organisms is dependent on plant to fulfill his appetite and absorb oxygen, which is the lifeline of the human body. So it is implied that without soil it will be tough for human being or organisms to survive. Soil also takes part in carbon cycle and hence it helps in maintaining levels of carbon in the atmosphere. Now, composition of soil. So here this is graphical representation. Air 25%, water 25%, mineral particles 45%, organic matter 5%. In this, humus 80%, roots 10%, organisms 10%. So here, this is another slide. So soils are composed of mineral matter and organic matter and contain pore spaces filled with water or air and soluble nutrients. So here, look at this one. Organic matter serves as a binder for mineral particles, contributing to good soil structure and tilth, which refers to the behavior of soil under cultivation. Soil is composed of a mixture of minerals, organic matter, air and water. Each component is important for supporting plant growth, microbial communities and chemical decomposition. Another material is called organic matter. It is made up of decaying plant and animal matter. Water and air are the other ingredients in soil. In a good garden soil, about 45% will be rock particles, 5% organic matter like leaves, 25% water and 25% air. Soil is a component of the origin of earth. Specifically, it is a mixture of minerals, matter and gases that support life. They contain many different chemical and physical properties. There are also many kinds of soil types in different areas of the world and different origins. Soil is also a collection of organic and non-organic matter that is compacted and forms over time. Soil contains many components of minerals and nutrients that ground organisms thrive on. The four basic resources in the soil minerals. The four basic resources in soil is minerals, water, air and organic materials. There are also non-organic materials and other matter that takes up a small percentage. Soil composition is generally the same in all types of soil. Now process of soil formation. What is soil? Soil is a mixture of broken rocks and minerals, living organisms, and decaying organic matter called humus. Humus is dark, soft, and rich in nutrients. Soil also includes air and water. Organisms in the soil need air and water to survive. Soil is formed by the process of withering of rocks, that is, disintegration and decomposition of rocks and mineral at or near the earth's surface through the actions of natural or mechanical and chemical agents into smaller grains. Soil composition is an important aspect of nutrient management. The basic components of soil are minerals, organic matter, water, and air. The typical soil consists of approximately 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, 20 to 30% water, and 20 to 30% air. The typical soil consists of approximately 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, 20 to 30% water, and 20 to 30% air. Soil is the thin layer of material covering the earth's surface and is formed from the withering of rocks. It is made up of mainly of mineral particles, organic materials, air, water, and living organisms, all of which interact slowly and constantly. The parent material may be directly slow. The parent material may be directly below the soil or great distances away if wind, water, or glaciers have transported the soil. The soil formation is termed pedogenesis. Pedogenesis. Climatic conditions are important factors affecting both the form and rate of physical and chemical withering of the parent material.